The FBI will keep working day and night to destroy this network. It is a top priority.
Waller County Sheriff's Office.
I heard some gunshots, and I think someone's dead.
Quickly learned the call was fake. A case of swatting, someone reportedly using a device that alters voices, calling in a false report.
We traced the call. It's coming from inside the house.
And they know who was where when, and so they've got a pretty good idea of who they think is responsible.
This video is for adults only. Discretion is advised. Everything I'm sharing is my opinion.
This is Reporter Room with Jessica Della Davies.
If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it helps me out a lot. We are on a verdict watch now. We are absolutely on a verdict watch for this case. Neo, I think this is not a good look for him, in my opinion. I think that he's in big trouble. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. The next couple of days while we're on verdict watch, I do believe we are officially on verdict watch now. We're at the beginning of the end now. Neo has testified, so we know the grand jury is still in session. And I do believe that, in my opinion, allegedly, that he did plead the fifth, unless he's coming back tomorrow. I think that he is pleading the fifth, and he did not get an immunity deal. So unless we see footage of Neo Langston at the courthouse tomorrow, I think that we will find out that he pled the fifth, and that, we've heard that there was an accomplice. And so I don't see if Beth Silverman is able to turn this into a forensics case rather than a circumstantial case, she may not have needed Neo to make her case. There may be stuff that we just don't know about yet. Okay, so we got more information from this. This is Complex. Let me move myself out of the way. All right, so this is a new article from Complex. It says, David's friend Neo Langston faces grand jury in the Celeste Rivas probe. David's friend Neo Langston appeared before the grand jury. I will play that little bit of footage for you guys in just a second. As part of the investigation into what happened to Celeste after his recent arrest for failing to appear as a witness, the 23-year-old influencer appeared at the courthouse on Wednesday, February 4th, when a grand jury has been convened since November to gather information about Celeste and the fact that she was disassembled, I'm watching my words, found in September 2025 in the front trunk of David's Tesla. Neo spent 30 to 40 minutes inside the grand jury room and left the courthouse without answering questions, according to TMZ. TMZ also reported that Deputy District Attorney Beth Silverman, who is presenting the case, declined to comment while heading into court. Neo was arrested on January 22nd in Helena, Montana. Wait, that feels like so long ago, doesn't it? After an arrest warrant was issued by the LA judge, he was taken into custody at his mom's house, transported back to Los Angeles, and booked into the LAPD Metropolitan Detention Center on $60,000 bail before bonding out. Prior to his arrest, the former Twitch streamer who streamed under the name Neo the Asian appeared in multiple photographs alongside of David. Multiple witnesses have already testified in the case. An LAPD source also confirmed that D4Vd, who's David Anthony Burke, is a suspect and is reportedly expected to be indicted on murder charges. So, boom, a second one confirms this. This is the second news outlet that we've gotten confirmation on this, that he is expected to be indicted on the murder charges. So not the lower level charges. He's not indicted yet. So I'm only... Journalists, you do the best you can with the information you have and the sources, but sources can be wrong. We found this out with the Frozen thing with Celeste. So I've given it to you with that caveat, but this is saying is reportedly expected to be indicted on murder charges. The LA homicide detectives have identified a second suspect who may be involved before, during, and after. Before, during, and after, you guys. That's the first time that we've heard this. That's the first time that we've heard this, that there was a second suspect before, during, and after all three. She was done away with, you guys. So who is it? We don't know yet. Let me pull this up.
Hey, Neo, why are you being called to testify today? How did everything go in there? Why were you avoiding testifying? Do you think David is innocent? Is there anything you want to tell the public about the David case? Anything?
So he didn't say a word. He spent 30 to 40 minutes in there. So that to me says that somebody didn't get a plea deal. Somebody didn't get a plea deal, in my opinion, allegedly, unless he's coming back tomorrow. So, yeah. So before, during, and after, you guys. So, yeah, poor Celeste. But this at least gets some justice for her. You know, we've been so afraid that justice wasn't coming. I try not to get emotionally invested in this case. I'm not, but I have to tell you, this case has been, I have gotten emotionally involved. I try not to, but you just would have to be heartless to not have empathy for what Celeste must have gone through. Just the mind games that were being played with her, as evidenced by the photograph that he put up when he put up the double-headed with him holding up the knife. Just the mind games that he was playing with her at the end. Yeah, I thought Neo liked the camera too. He likes it till it's focusing on this. This is like, let's pray. Yeah, we are officially on arrest watch, you guys. Let me turn your comments back on. So that's good news for justice, I think. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to leave it there. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Drop me a comment in the comment section below. Believe it or not, that helps me as much as hyping the video, a thumbs up, dropping me an extra comment. Those things are all free ways that you can help. Subscribing is another free way. And I'm going to put the live stream for 3 days from now. That doesn't mean I'm not going live later tonight or tomorrow. If there's breaking news, I will. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it helps me out a lot. Give this a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comment section below.